Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of learning programming with fun, and today we are going to start a new lesson, that is 9. Okay, hope you have completed previous lessons and looking forward to new challenges. Okay, so let's get started without delay. So go to the lesson number 10. First of all, obviously you have to log in and then you can see your previous lesson or activity which you were doing, and then you can head towards the lesson number 10. Okay, so artist intro. Now we have a video, you can see.
These are your draw blocks. Use the correct one to move the artist where he needs to go to fill in the gray lines. These are jump blocks. When you use these, your artist moves but doesn't draw, so use these to jump to the next gray line.
Okay, hope you have watched this video carefully and understood what these blocks are, and then let's start the activity. Okay, so now I have to draw something fun. Okay, so let's draw a square, right? So starting from here, I must be going there and then down and then towards the west and then again towards the north. Okay, let's simply run this. Obviously you can use repeat block, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, if you like, you can share using our Facebook, Twitter, or you can simply copy the link and paste it in your WhatsApp group or in a Google Classroom. Okay, or you can send to phone. You can try it, all the options, and then I will not try it. You can try yourself. And this is the turtle speed. Okay, now what you can see, this bar is a turtle speed. Okay, so now if I say one more and one more, I'm not going to repeat since it is only 2, so number of instructions will require only 2, so I will be using this. So if I say speed is very high, then you can see my turtle moves very fast. Okay, or artist move very fast. Now you can see this is also really very easy. You can use a repeat. How many times you can see, count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I will be using 1 2 3 4 and 5, so 5 repeat. Let's do this. Okay, so you can see these are just a practice to enhance your knowledge or to give you more experience. Go ahead and watch this video till the end, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, this number tells you how many of these blocks you can use in this puzzle. Okay, so now in this lesson, level of your exercise or difficulty level will be enhanced since you can use only limited number of blocks. Okay, so here we can see we can use only one block, so obviously we are going to use a repeat, and repeat, I think it should be 5, and then E execute. Okay, so that is not a problem since we have already learned loop, so I think you can do it with ease. Okay, draw a line 7 step long. This will become your horizon. Okay, so this will become our horizon. So what we are going to do, so I have to use 7 steps, so let's do this. Okay, that was a piece of a cake for me, and I think same for you. Okay, what's a big deal in this? So we can take this and we can take this. Okay, that's easy. So let's have this. So now if I write 2 instructions, so it will move my artist from here to here, and I have to repeat it one more time and one more time. So I have to use this 3 times. Okay, so let's run this program and we're done, right? So now see this. Now it is also easy. Here is a sample code. Move east, then towards the west, and then jump a step. So now I think this is not done like this. Okay, it should be done somewhat like this. jump toward the west, and then jump toward up. Okay, so how many times this will do? 1 2 jump toward west, 1 2, so it should be done 4 times. Okay, so I will be using this block 4 times, and let's run this. Okay, so we have done it. Let's continue. Now see, I think this can be done very easily toward the east, then toward down. Okay, so how many times? This is 1 time, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So let's 5 and run this. So rest are your exercise. You can do it. Now let us have some practice on our compiler. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my IDLE, click on start, type IDLE, and there will be some menus. Okay, click on any one. You may be having Python 3.8, I'm having 3.7, so that is not a problem. You can go ahead with that. Okay, so I'm in my Python 3.7.3 shell. Okay, so previously what I did, I have demonstrated how to type hello world. Okay, hello world. Okay, so this will print a hello world. Let us split this and tell you more about this command. So print is the function. Okay, function is a block of a code or a instruction which does something. So I'm instructing my Python to print something, and here I have passed a string. A string is a collection of words enclosed in a single or a double quotes. So if I try to print like this, print hi everyone, and in a double quotes, then this will also print. But what if I try to print like hi in a single quotes and close it with double quotes? Now my Python returns me a beautiful error message. Okay, you can see syntax error, EOL while running string literal. EOL means end of the line, and it says I have reached end of the line for the Python shell up till here, but I haven't found a closing single quote. Okay, so my command should be print hi single quotes and this. Now it will work. So what you need to do, if you encounter these red color messages, then you have to analyze your code and try to read these errors, and you will get a hint. Okay, and you can rectify code accordingly. Right, now what are syntax error? Syntax basically is a way of a writing command or a grammar of a language, and if you violate these rules, just like my previous example, I haven't closed my string properly. If I violate any of the rule, like print hi, now my string is closed properly, but notice I haven't closed my parenthesis. If I try to print this, okay, my Python doesn't allow me to execute command. Okay, if I say like this, or let's print like this, again invalid syntax. Right, so we have to finish off our print command in one line in most of the cases. Right, now what we are going to do is I'm using a print and using a 3 single quotes and try to print this asterisk 1 2 3 single quotes and then slash. See, so I can use a multi-line string by using 3 single quotes. Right, this is the exercise for today. So this concludes our session. Hope you have enjoyed and learned new things. You all are doing great, and if you have any difficulty, you can always write comment, message, or you can use Google Classroom comment so that I can get your feedback. Okay, hope you will have fun in learning programming. Thank you very much. Goodbye, see you, and love you all.